BSC News NFT, latest news and developments. Today we'll talk about the 25% off whitelist spots as well as the art competition that they have going on and much more. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure that bell notification is lit. We're going to go ahead and go over some of the details that Tom had broke down in this video that made me even more bullish on this project. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, but we got some highly detailed, high definition 4K NFTs coming out from BSC News that I'm very bullish on. We're 10 days away, so I'm bringing some more awareness on this because there's a lot of whitelist spots being given out. I've been in contact with Tom and Ben, and I want to do some kind of, Twitter space right before, and I'll do some kind of BNB giveaway out of my pocket. So like that, if you're granted one of these whitelist spots, if you tap in with Tom on discord.gg/BSC News NFT, and you snatch up a whitelist spot, I got you on the BNB. So I'll be in contact with Ben and Tom, and we'll figure something out so I can make sure you guys have enough BNB for some of these whitelist spots that are being given out left and right. Okay, so we got, some breakdowns from Tom on there with the Goodfellas. I love how he did the NFT for the Goodfellas, and Goodfellas being a 3D rendering type of NFT project. That NFT card basically had 3D art coming right off of it, and I mean high definition 4K quality art. Go look at this video by Tom. It was absolutely amazing. Of course, I also want to bring some awareness to this art competition that I spoke about. This is going on until Monday, 5 p.m. UTC time. So you guys do not want to miss out. There was another one inside this video that Tom had showed. So this is where you're going to get a lot of sneak peeks on some of the cards. They had lavish cards, with Hermes design, Versace's design. They had Zodiac sign that was, one of Tom's favorite, as well as I liked it. I'm curious to see what some of those Fibonacci sequence ones. I'm a sucker for the Fibonacci sequence, so I would like to see what those look like. But yeah, I mean, overall, the quality of these NFTs just look absolutely amazing. And these NFTs, 25% off the whitelist, meaning that they'll be at 0.3 BNB and the public mint will be 0.4 BNB. Okay, so we got 10 days off. September 14th is going to be that mint date that I'm going to be very active on. Those who are rocking with me, leave some bullish comments down below, share this video, and tap in with me, because this is going to be something that we're going to be seeing on the channel, because this is not just NFTs coming out. This is going to let us tap in to premier, high level quality stuff coming from BSC News. But on top of that, being able to interact with all these other ecosystems, and me having a channel and want to show you guys, maybe somebody doesn't have the money to buy this, that, and the other NFT. They like this project, they like that project, and they want to be able to play these different games or interact in different ways, but they don't have the funds. Well, one of these BSC News NFTs can grant you access across a plethora of different projects. This is going to be huge. We know that BSC News has big connections going over to and I'll even throw this out there. They got an AMA with Baby Swap, so plug Baby Swap. And this was another NFT that Tom actually talked about. As you guys can see, this looks like the 2001 cover of the Chronic album. This is epic right here. So there's a lot of nostalgic things going on with these NFTs. And I mean, when you zoom in on these NFTs, even the little chips, there's different, there was one, the Damascus chips look really cool. They got gold plated ones. I mean, it actually looks like brushed metal. Like, it's so clean. It looks really good. Even some of the cards that are supposed to look like they're almost like leather or whatnot. I mean, it's amazing, the quality, and kind of gets your imagination going on where we're going to keep moving forward with these NFTs and how it's going to continue to evolve over time. So make sure you guys tap in over here with Tom and BSC News NFT. Don't miss out this AMA, because right here, this AMA, there's a $200 giveaway plus 10 whitelist spots. So make sure that you guys do not miss out on all these opportunities, because if you rock with me on the channel, we're going to be using these NFTs. Even if I'm not familiar with a certain part of the ecosystem, I'm just going to dive right in. We're going to go ahead and see how, if somebody who doesn't know what's going on in that sector, how is it going to work out, how fast and how easy it is for us to learn. So you guys can see, big shout out to BSC News for the follow. This is where I come and do my due diligence. I want you guys to come over here and do the same. Use BSC News, give them a follow, make sure that bell notification is lit. There's going to be a lot more of this coming on the channel, so continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.